Can you drink soda with braces? Before I answer that question, leave a comment below about your favorite soda and or if you drink it with braces. When you put braces on, it could be metal braces, it could be ceramic braces, lingual braces, the braces that are on the inside, or you go through Invisalign, some sort of clear aligner treatment. These appliances go on the teeth. If you keep your teeth clean, you avoid things like cavities and periodontal disease.
Dental hygiene.
My teeth are fine. See?
The most important thing for oral health long term is not necessarily straight teeth or a beautiful bite. The most important thing is keeping your teeth clean. Periodontal disease and cavities lead to the breakdown of teeth and your jawbone, and then you can lose teeth. You end up with needing things like implants or dentures. Not fun, okay? When you have braces, it creates more places for food to get trapped around your brackets. You can end up with white spots. When you see little squares on people's teeth, it's because they didn't keep their teeth clean and they got these white spots, lesions. They're like baby cavities. What's happening is that the bacteria in our mouth, which we all have bacteria in our mouth, some of it is opportunistic, some of it takes advantage of very sugary foods, and they eat those things and break it down and basically poop out acid on your teeth.
Okay, I'd say that's pretty acidy.
So what does the acid do? It breaks down tooth structure. That's not good. Well, soda. These are the ingredients of soda. Sugar, high fructose corn syrup, bacteria love this stuff, and then phosphoric acid. When you drink Coca-Cola, you're drinking acid. If you leave soda in your mouth for a long time, and you've got brackets or Invisalign, and you're not rinsing your mouth out, right? It is going to eat your teeth up. You're gonna end up with no teeth. Lots of cavities, broken down teeth that either need to be taken out or root canaled or replaced with implants, dentures, it just, ugh. What we know in the dental field is that you can allow a little bit of acid on your teeth and it doesn't necessarily ruin your teeth. It can help with whitening and it can help with cleaning. I found this video online and I think it's worth showing. They're gonna use soda, Coca-Cola, to try and clean it all off. Look at all that gunk around there. Ooh, looks so shiny. 30 seconds of soaking, boom. Through the dental profession, we've learned certain techniques in controlled environments. You can apply this type of acid or certain types of agents that can clean your teeth and or help whiten your teeth. Drinking soda just by itself, you know, if you pound one can, it's maybe not the end of the world, but it still is acid in your mouth. But even worse is if you kind of like in the car battery, if you are putting your teeth and you're like one of those swishers, you know, you're moving the soda around everywhere, it's probably worse, right? The longer you leave the soda around your teeth, the worse off. If you're like a little slow, like you drink a soda, a Coca-Cola over an hour, it's probably worse than if you just like chugged it or, you know, in like a 10-minute period. You want to reduce the amount of time that your teeth are in an acidic environment. So, can you drink soda with braces? The answer is no. You need to be extra careful. If you are a heavy soda drinker, I would recommend that you get away from that. If you do drink soda, especially while you've got braces or Invisalign, make sure you're rinsing your mouth out with water. I drink soda sometimes, don't drink it very much, especially when you're in the braces, rinse out with lots of water. If you know somebody who is a heavy soda drinker, share this video with them because you care about them and their teeth, all right? Not many friends care about other people's friends' teeth.
A little toothpaste and you'll have teeth like mine.
Share this video or tell them to come find me. That's all I've got, just a little PFOing so you know where you're going. Packard out.